Hello and welcome to Polish Life 40 Plus. My name is Grace Ibukunlua, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to reinvent yourself after 40. I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's go. Most women believe reinvention after 40 means starting over. But here's the truth. You don't need a new life. You need a refined one. Because after 40, you're not lacking experience or wisdom or even identity, because you already have that. What you may be lacking is alignment. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reinvent yourself after 40, step by step, using the Refinement Blueprint, a framework designed to help women refine their identity, elevate their presence, and step into their next era with clarity. So, what is the first step? The first step is to release the old identity. Every reinvention begins with honesty. And the truth is, many women over 40 they are not stuck. They're simply carrying identities that no longer fit. You may still be dressing for the woman you were 10 years ago. You may still be tolerating environments that once felt comfortable, but now feel limiting. You may still be performing roles that you've quietly outgrown. Reinvention begins when you ask yourself a difficult question. Ask yourself, who have I become? And what version of me is now expired? Sometimes the first step in becoming someone new is acknowledging that the old version of you has already finished her work. Because refinement requires release. What is step 2? Define the woman you are becoming. Define the woman you are becoming. So once you release the past, the next step is defining your next chapter. This is where many women hesitate. They know they want to change, but they haven't articulated who they are becoming. So ask yourself this: how do I want to be perceived? What rooms do I want to enter? What standards do I want to embody? One of the simplest exercises you can do is choose 3 words that describe the woman you are becoming. So for example, you can say, I want to be refined, intentional, and confident. Or perhaps you can say something like, I want to be elegant, disciplined, and visible. These words become your identity anchors. Because if you cannot define her, you cannot embody her. Step 3, update your presentation. See, reinvention must eventually become visible. And one of the most powerful ways we communicate who we are becoming is through our presentation. After 40, our bodies change, our energy changes, our priorities change. Yet many women continue dressing for a version of themselves that no longer exists. True refinement means dressing the body you have now, not the one you had 10 years ago. It means choosing clothing that reflects authority, that reflects ease and confidence. Fit becomes more important than labels. Structure becomes more important than trends. But presentation is not just clothing. No, it's also presence. Elegant women move differently. They walk slower. They speak with intention. They remove nervous habits and unnecessary explanations. Presence communicates power long before words are spoken. Please remember that. presence communicate power long before words are spoken. Step 4, refine your environment. The next stage of reinvention involves your environment, because your environment constantly reinforces who you believe yourself to be. If your home feels chaotic, your mind will often mirror that chaos. If your social circle lacks ambition or intention, your growth may quietly slow down. Reinvention after 40 requires a deliberate audit of your surroundings. Look at your physical environment, your digital presence, your social circles, the rooms you enter regularly, and ask yourself, does this environment support the woman I am becoming? Or does it keep reminding me of who I used to be? Because refinement is not only internal, it is also environmental. Step 5, raise your standards. Every reinvention requires new standards. You can't build a refined life while maintaining the same expectations that shaped your past. So this means learning to say no without apology. You should not be worried about what people think anymore. Protecting your time, choosing quality over convenience, and perhaps most importantly, refusing to shrink in rooms where you were meant to expand. Boundaries are not about distance. They are about clarity. They communicate what you respect, both in yourself and in others. Step 6, build a refinement system. One of the biggest mistakes people make when reinventing themselves is relying on motivation. However, motivation fades. However, systems sustain. Refined women create structures that support their new identity. This might look like, planning your wardrobe on a weekly basis, setting aside time for reflection and growth, creating daily routines that reinforce calm and focus, and intentionally creating how you spend your time. Confidence grows when life becomes structured. Step 7, commit to the long game. Reinvention after 40 is not an overnight transformation. It's a gradual recalibration. You're not chasing youth. You're stepping into wisdom. The woman you're becoming deserves patience, discipline, and consistency. Think in seasons, in years, because refinement compounds over time. Let that sink in. Who do you want to become next season? Where do you see yourself? Start thinking about that now. In closing, reinvention after 40 is about becoming someone new. It's about becoming more aligned with who you truly are. You're not behind. You are refining. So if this video resonated with you, comment below with 3 words that describe the woman you are becoming. And if you're ready to step into your refined era, then go ahead and subscribe. Because on this channel, we talk about elegance, identity, and intentional living after 40. Also, if you would like to join a community of like-minded women over 40 who are in their refinement era, then consider joining my school community, the Polished Life 40 Plus School Community, where you get more information and tools that help you define the woman you're becoming and how to embody that woman. So, to join, simply click the link in my bio, and I look forward to seeing you there. Also, for being here today, I am giving you a free copy of my Find Your Style checklist, which is also in the description box. So go ahead and click the link and download your free copy of the Find My Style checklist. If you would like to work with me one-on-one to define the woman you're becoming, and also to assess how to present yourself for the new rooms you're entering this season, what outfits best suit for those rooms, how to present yourself, then click the link in the description box to book your Confident Era Style Reset Intensive. All the necessary information you need, you would find when you click on that link. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, stay absolutely fabulous and do take care. I look forward to seeing you in the Polished Life 40 Plus school community. Do take care and speak to you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.